Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, kind of a slow last week and a half that we've been having. To me, this looks like a possible A, and this looks like possibly one, two, three ways down for like a way B. Now, there is a chance that this move up right here is just a pullback to this last push down. So if it does make a lower high, go down and make engulfing down, then it's probably going to go down and take out this low, which would invalidate this A-B setup that I've been talking about. But we would have to see a pretty impulsive down to believe that because it still seems to me more likely that it needs to go up and take out these highs. Now the problem is that the market really doesn't need to do anything, and really technically the daily time frame has turned down, and the higher time frames are always your friend, which is why I want to bring to everybody's attention that this move up may just be a pullback to this last move down. If it bounces from a Fibonacci retracement, makes engulfing down, then it's probably going to go down and make a new low, at least on this time frame. So, like I always say, the higher time frame trend is your friend. Normally, if you trade with the higher daily time frame, then you're probably going to be trading in the right direction. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.